Hi friends, my name is Mr. Jake. Today, let's learn how to make the letter O in sign language. This is how you make an O, make an O, make an O. This is how you make an O in sign language. Very good, friends, we did it. We made the letter O in sign language. Now that we've done that, I think it's time to see what's hiding inside of our mystery box today. I wonder what we'll find. Let's find out. Here we go. I found something. An onion. Phooey, that has a very strong smell. Onion starts with the letter O. Let's see what's next. I found something else. What is this? An ox. Ox starts with the letter O. Okay, there should be one more thing hiding inside of our mystery box today. Let's find out what it is. I found it! An octopus.
Hello?
Octopus starts with the letter O. Onion, ox, and octopus all start with the letter O. Now, let's watch a video on octopuses. An octopus is a sea animal with a soft, rounded body and 8 long tentacles. Each of their tentacles has 2 rows of powerful suckers that hold on to things and surfaces. An octopus can change color quickly depending on its surroundings or its mood. There are over 150 types of octopus that live in seas throughout the world. Thanks for learning all about the letter O with me today, friends, and I'll see you again next time.